Hi guys, so this is the problem that we will be solving for today. And this is a sample of a rate problem para sa application of differential calculus. So first, let us analyze kung ano ba tong sinasabi ng ating problem. A tank is being drained through a hole at the bottom. So ito yung ating tank and it is being drained dito sa bottom ng ating tank, okay? So the volume remaining in the tank at a given time is defined by the equation V is equal to 5 times 100 minus T squared. Okay, so let us take note that this equation gives us the volume remaining in the tank at a given time, okay? So the equation here is this one. V is equal to 5 100 minus T squared, okay? So this will give us the volume of our liquid dito sa ating tank at any given time, where V is in liters and T is in minutes. So the question is, after 20 minutes, the rate of draining is A, 400 liters per minute, B, 800 liters per minute, C, 3,200 liters per minute, or D, 6,400 liters per minute. Okay, so how do we know that this is an application of rate para sa differential calculus? So we have to understand that ang hinahanap sa atin dito is yung the rate of draining after 20 minutes. Okay, so hindi volume ng ating liquid ang tinatanong after 20 minutes, but rather yung rate of draining after 20 minutes. So therefore, kailangan nating makuha our rate equation. So how do we do that? We need to take the differential of our given equation. Okay, so our equation here is V is equal to 5 times 100 minus T squared. So we're going to take the derivative of V with respect to T, no? So we will have dV over dt, which means that we will have the differential of volume over the differential of time, which is equal to the derivative of 5 times 100 minus T squared with respect to time. Okay, so 5 is a constant, so we will have 5. Then the derivative of 100 minus T squared will be 2 times 100 minus T. Okay, 2 minus 1 will be 1. And then the derivative nitong nasa loob ng ating parenthesis, which is the derivative of 100 minus T, which is negative 1. Okay, so let us simplify this. We have dV over dt is equal to 5 times 2 will be 10 times negative 1 will be negative 10 times 100 minus T. Okay? But in my case, I would like to put T sa front ng ating terms, no? So I will multiply this by negative 1, no? So we will have dV over dt is equal to, okay, so what I'm going to do is that this negative 10 will be 10 times negative 1, 100 minus T. This is not necessary, no? I just want to put our equation this way para mas madali natin siyang ma-visualize, no? So if I will multiply negative 1 here, I will have T minus 100, right? So let me delete this. So I will have positive 10 times T minus 100. Okay? So this is after I multiply yung negative 1 dito sa loob ng ating parenthesis. Okay? So now we are asked kung ano ba yung rate after 20 minutes. So that means our time is equal to 20 minutes, right? So dV over dt is equal to 10 times our T is 20, then minus 100. Okay, so therefore our dV over dt is equal to 10 times 20 minus 100 will be negative 80. Okay, so therefore we will have here dV over dt, which is equal to negative 800 liters per minute. Remember that our units here is in liters and minutes, no? And as you can see, we have a negative value here. This is because our rate, is decreasing, because we are draining dito sa ating system. So therefore, our answer here is letter B. This is our rate, but since it is draining, okay, that means we are not adding to our system, we are removing, okay, a liquid in our system, so therefore, naging negative ang ating value. But the rate will be 800 liters per minute.